In this video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to open up Instagram. Then we're gonna go ahead and open our profile. You will see it right here at the bottom right. And once you're here, you're going to go ahead and select the Hamburger menu. You will see it at the top right corner. Now here it can get a little bit tricky trying to find where to deactivate your account, because Instagram is constantly changing where that option is because they don't want you to close your account. So honestly, the easiest way for you is going to be to use the search bar at the top. Here you will type in deactivate, and this option will appear. Deactivation or deletion, go ahead and select it. Now here is just going to ask you to start the process, so just make sure you select the correct Instagram account. After you do that, you will select Deactivate account, then tap on Continue. For security purposes, it's going to ask you to input your password, so go ahead and do that. After you add your password, Instagram is going to ask you why you want to take a break from the app. I usually just need a break, but you can select anything else. It can be that you're seeing too many ads, that you want to create a second account, or that it's maybe too busy and too distracting. Scroll down just a little bit more and select Continue. Now here you're going to see the final step to deactivate your account. I'm not going to select it because I don't want to disable my account, but just go ahead and select it. But don't worry, you can reactivate your account at any time. All you have to do is log in as usual with your username and password, and then your account will no longer be deactivated. And that's it. I hope this video helped.